So hi folks, I have the new AKG Harman K361BT headphones. I just got them today. So I'll just ask my partner to hand me the knife so that I can unbox it. Sorry, it's a kitchen knife for now. So let's see. Wow. Well, so let's see what else comes in this packing. Okay, we have a very nice case, extremely premium finish. By the way, this is selling for a price which is less than the price in the United States. Uh, I mean, I've not seen it often that happens, but anyways, there's a micro USB cable, your normal aux cable. Additionally, we have this little pin as well, some leaflets, warranty information, and that's about it. And here we have finally the headphones, extremely premium looking. I'm not going to give it to my partner though, but yeah, the design is awesome. So these are all gesture controls, so you only have an on off button, the pin slot to insert the micro USB, and one more slot over here, and that's it. I'm just gonna, because I have another large head size, I'll just open it. Oh, these are so comfortable. So I'll use it and I'll post a review like how it feels and what are the. I'll take some calls. It comes with a mic, and I'll post a detailed review. So